Hello my friends, in this video I'm going to be talking about how analytics in YouTube Studio when you start a channel can be incredibly addictive, almost to the point where it takes over your life. It certainly has had a significant impact in mine over the last 3 months. When I started the channel, I didn't really have any particular goals in mind. I was hoping that at some point it would start earning me a little bit of money that I could potentially reinvest back into the channel or just keep as a bit of pocket money. As I've mentioned in previous videos, the topic of my channel is motorbikes, and I was potentially thinking that it may even be enough to fund an additional bike at some point in the future. But I'm not completely naive. I know that to be successful on YouTube requires an incredible amount of dedication and hard work. Once you start uploading content to YouTube, you become really aware that you're putting yourself out there, and it's only human to want to succeed and see your success, and YouTube Studio and the analytics it provides are the gateway to this. There's some fantastic analytics in the YouTube Studio tool, particularly the real time when you've got a little bit of traction or you've just uploaded a new video. It's fascinating watching the real-time watch counts in analytics to see how many views you're getting, and seeing the tally of views and watch hours and subscribers and likes and all of the comments that are coming in. It really can become quite addictive. I've found that since I've had my channel that I'm very rarely on social media now. I seem to have replaced the endless scrolling of Facebook with the endless watching of analytics and studying the data on each of my videos. Unfortunately, it does come with some real highs and some real lows. If a video is taken off and done quite well, then it's super exciting, and you can't get enough of seeing the view counts and all of the data coming in. But equally, YouTube is a complicated beast, and there's just as many lows as there are highs with it. So you just got to sort of try and take it with a pinch of salt, learn from what it's trying to tell you, understand each of the metrics and how they impact your channel and what you can do with your future videos to try and improve them. Anyway, if you've got any great tips and tricks, things that you look out for in analytics, then please leave a comment below. Please smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel to follow my YouTube adventures. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.